All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're going to be starting our cryptocurrency journey with this generic code that I found online. So before I actually feed it to my AI learning agent, we're going to go over everything and learn all the concepts we need to learn. So when we do feed it to our agent, we know exactly what we're asking for and we know exactly what to expect. So let's have a look at the initial currency that we have here. Now, this is something I found online. It doesn't have anything to do with the coin that we want to create, but this is a generic code that creates coins. And I got this from the what do you call it there, the free code camp, and this is one of their codes that they created for their code. It was this FCC coin here. So this is the coin they created for their actual platform and something that they put together. So we're gonna go over the next few days, just diving in, going over some concepts and basic understandings of how we can create the coin and how we can handle transactions and how we handle the blockchain. Now, I'm not going to go over everything today. This is the introduction here. So you can see essentially a blockchain is a public database that irreversibly documents and authenticates the possession and transmission of digital assets. Digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are based on this concept. A blockchain is an exciting technology that you can use to transform the capabilities of your application. Now, I'm not going to read that whole thing. I'll leave it up on the screen so you can look over it if you want to. And this is just the beginning of the code that we're just going to start building. It's actually a hollow piece of code. You can see everything is getting passed through. Nothing is actually filled out yet. Everything gets filled out along the way. The entire code is actually done, but I'm not going to show you the entire code right now. We will go over it step by step every day. I just want to get you a quick introduction on what we're going to be doing. So again, this is the first day of our cryptocurrency journey. It's not really a journey. We're going to be doing it for the next 5 days or so. And yeah, and I'll keep you with me every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.